Yesterday's announcement from the European Central Bank sent oil prices lower. In the course of its monetary policy meeting, the European regulator decided to cut the economic stimulus measures. The daily assets purchases will be cut from 80 to 60 billion euros. While the foreign exchange showed no reaction to this news, oil prices have notably declined. This change in the monetary policy may potentially create lower demand, including the demand for fuel. This is the main reason for a drop in crude prices. However, on Friday, oil managed to make up for the previous losses. Was it surprising? To some extent, yes. Let's find out more details. The official data on oil stockpiles confirmed a continuous decline in crude inventories. Although the supply deficit is becoming less serious, it's still there. This was another factor to help oil prices recover to previous highs. Brent crude has been trading within a sideways channel for 8 consecutive days. The price is fluctuating in the range between 70 and 73.5 US dollars a barrel. The trading strategy should remain the same. Traders can enter the market when the price breaks through either of the two boundaries. It's better to follow momentum. Currently, no significant changes are expected since the market is pressured by various factors that keep the price trapped in a narrow range. As for WTI, it's following a similar sideways movement. The price range for WTI is found between $67 and $70.5 per barrel. This is where traders can plan their entry. Analysts are sure that the quotes will not leave this channel until Monday. Meanwhile, the dollar-ruble pair was not able to break through the resistance of 73.50. This made traders decrease the volume of long positions. As a result, the price bounced back towards the level of 72.75. At the moment, the local low of September 3rd serves as support for the pair and may help withstand the bearish pressure. If the pair repeats the previous scenario, it may then enter a flat channel and pull back from there. Currently, we're dealing with a narrow price range of 72.60 to 73. On Monday, the quotes may edge slightly higher. In the meantime, the euro-ruble pair has lost more than 1% since September 7, so it has returned to the local low of mid-August. It's possible that sellers will reduce the volume of short positions within the range of 85.95 to 86.10. Moreover, in the previous sessions, the pair has already followed this trajectory. If this is the case, we could soon observe a pullback in the euro-ruble pair. The Russian ruble continues its steady uptrend. Although the daily gains are minimal, the total rise of the ruble is quite significant. This could be a mere preparation for today's policy meeting of the Bank of Russia. The regulator is expected to raise its key interest rate from 6.5% to 7%. However, this is quite a negative factor for the ruble. On the one hand, the interest rate hike spurs the demand for the ruble amid higher bond yields. At the same time, the Russian economy has just begun to recover from the crisis. Therefore, higher interest rates can slow this process and even trigger a new round of recession. That is why the ruble is likely to notably depreciate right after the central bank's meeting. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.